Choosing the right weight loss supplements. Weight loss supplements are one of the many tools you can use in your battle to lose weight. There are several different types with a variety of subtypes, all of which help in several ways. Below you will find basic information on a variety of options, including common ingredients, to help you choose the right supplements for your weight loss goals. Prescription pills. Prescription pills are available to help people suppress the need to eat, as well as to provide energy for exercise. These pills should only be used under the close supervision of a medical professional, because many of them are considered extremely addictive. Several of these pills can also cause damage to several organs, so their use must be strictly controlled. Non-prescription pills. Over-the-counter pills can be purchased without a prescription and are not strictly regulated by laws and regulatory agencies. They also offer assistance to suppress appetite and increase energy. You can buy them at most stores that sell medications or vitamins, and even at some convenience stores. Although its use is not regulated, they should still be taken with caution. Over-the-counter diet pills can also cause damage to internal organs, in addition to having addiction problems. Contents of weight loss pills. Weight loss supplements that come in the form of a pill contain one of several types of medications, whether prescribed or over-the-counter. Due to allergic reactions, you should be careful to know what active ingredient is in the weight loss pill. These are some of the most common ingredients. Anorectics. Pills containing anorectics are most often used for severe cases of obesity. They have the ability to strongly suppress the user's appetite. Amphetamine. Pills containing amphetamines can be very addictive. They are part of the phenethylamine compound family. This medication suppresses appetite and energizes the user. Ephedrine. This drug has a very controversial past. The United States government banned ephedrine in 2003, but changed the law and allowed it to be resold quite quickly. It is one of the most popular ingredients in weight loss supplements due to the qualities to improve energy and suppress appetite. Due to the strength of this ingredient and the risk of addiction, you should only take these pills with medical supervision. Hoodia gordoni. This natural weight loss supplement ingredient is currently one of the most popular options for those trying to lose weight. This completely natural substance is derived from the Hoodia plant, which grows mainly in Angola, South Africa, Namibia and Botswana, and has been used as an appetite suppressant and energy booster by local residents for many generations. Proactol. This is one of the varieties of appetite suppressants with the greatest medical success. It is a completely natural extract that comes directly from a plant. It does not cause known side effects and does not contain allergens or artificial additives. The use of Proactol changes the way bodies digest food, which helps to reduce weight dramatically naturally. Pyruvate. The pills that contain this ingredient work to promote fat loss, while protecting against muscle tissue loss. Thyroid enhancers. Weight loss supplements that contain thyroid enhancers help your body increase the amount of fat that burns naturally. Neopusha. In many ways, this is a product very similar to Proactol. It is also a completely natural plant extract and helps increase your body's natural ability to burn fat. Losing weight is not easy, but it can be achieved. Using weight loss supplements can help you lose weight and burn fat more efficiently. While supplements alone may not provide you with the weight control you want, they are an effective tool that will help you lose weight when used as part of a general weight loss plan.